Okay, so today's mission toy room cleanup, and we gotta put out some new toys in the toy room. Did you guys want some new toys?
Yes.
Okay, so we have to get rid of some, okay? So we've already got rid of a lot of stuff. So this is the mess in the toy room. I'm just gonna show you. It's like all these little toys around here, around this corner. I got rid of one toy rack, but I still have the other. And inside the house, it's pretty clean inside the house, not bad. So this is a mess in the toy room, and we're gonna see how much we get clean, okay? Okay, so this is the completed room. So I did move the kitchen and that corner. We moved the bench there. All the toys have gone there. So we have all this empty space right here. Move the table here. The two chairs, I moved it here. So that's the whole empty, well, not empty, cleaned room. And I'll show you the stuff inside the house. We have the vacuum, balls, and a few toys in there. And then I have the stuffed animals on this, the tunnel when we need it. And now we're going to get the slide to come in here. I don't know where we're going to put it, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the completed room. So we did have to move the table because we had to set up the slide. Yeah, let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yeah, go. Okay, so Manal got the slide as a birthday gift. So we took it out and we moved the table over here. So when we do need to use it, we can scoot it back in the middle. Yeah. And it matches their house. So this is the completed room. I actually had to move the table from the corner because Ryan actually uses that table. So it wasn't practical. I moved the bookshelf over here into this corner. I had to move it from the other corner where I put the slide. We put the rocking horse over there by the door. And this is not clutter. If you see, I have dolls in one bin and the other bin that's at the bottom has balls. All their toys, small balls. The racetrack, the cars that they play with all the time, and all their other toys. If you see, I did actually divide them. This is their big puzzle, the Elmo puzzle. These are all the electronic tablets or reader stuff. Then I have the small Lego, the big Lego. I have the sand toys, the cars. Those two bins where you see Sophie is Azan's toys. And then underneath we have some utensils for the kitchen, like plates and spoons. And then I have all the kitchen stuff underneath covered because the kids just like to spread everything all over. So this will help the room stay clean. So careful, you okay?
Yes.
So it's fairly tidy. The kids are not dressed up because it's morning and we're just cleaning up. I still have food that needs to be cooked. So this is everything. We just have the table. And this is the overview of the room. We have the bench there. Inside the bench, I think I put all his big cars, big trucks. Like the dump truck, the fire truck, yeah. So all the big trucks are underneath this. And then they can just look out the window when they need to.
I can see this.
Yeah, so this is what it is. And finally, the room is clean. It'll stay clean for a couple of minutes. Then we'll be back to normal. Azan, what are you doing?
Oh, he does.
He's not